These are 5 animals with terrifying powers so dark they seem cursed. The last one will haunt your nightmares. Comment which one scares you most. And please, help support the channel by liking and subscribing before this video ends. First, the vampire squid. It lives in crushing depths and vanishes into shadows like a ghost with glowing eyes. Next, the mantis shrimp. Its punch creates a shockwave hotter than the sun's surface, enough to stun and shatter prey. Third, the electric eel. It unleashes deadly electricity strong enough to freeze the heart of anything nearby. Fourth, the immortal jellyfish. It can reverse its aging endlessly, trapped in a loop between life and death. Finally, the black dragonfish. Its glowing fangs lure victims into the darkest depths, where escape is impossible.